on that date and time in the city of Detroit, Ms. Guzman, were you in that area?
Yes.
And what did you do?
I was driving the correct way down Etzel Ford, and a little Honda was coming up the wrong way and crashed right in front of my truck. And some guys got out of the truck and started shooting at my truck, and they shot my tire and they shot the back of my truck. So I was defending myself.
Judge, if I might.
You may.
Miss Guzman, the people who shot at you, they then got out of their car and fled. Is that correct?
Yeah, they got out, shot, and fled.
And after they fled, you then shot their car, correct?
Yes.
Judge, I would contend that that significantly exceeds self-defense.
So you're saying that, yeah. So wait a minute, Mr. Guzman. You get out and somebody's shooting at you, and then they leave. And then your response to that is, instead of calling the police, you jump out of your car and just start shooting up their car?
I didn't know what else to do. Like, I was by myself. There was like 4 guys there. At the time, I didn't know where I had put my phone, and I just panicked. That was the only thing that came to mind, because I panicked. Like, I didn't know what's happening.
But the 4 guys left, right?
They was running away. I don't know. I didn't know if there was one standing there. I couldn't see anything. Because when I jumped out the car, I can just see people running. They laughed. Like, I couldn't really see anything. I just thought, I just panicked. I just panicked.
I don't know how to take that, Mr. Dupree.
Judge, that's a little different than how previously, when I had talked with her, it had come across more as retributional when I previously talked to her.
They were already gone.
What was that, Mr. Guzman?
What is the truth? What is the truth, ma'am?
The truth is, as I was coming down on Chopin Street and I made a right turn on Etzel Ford, this little Honda car was coming up the wrong way and just crashed in the front of my truck.
We already went over that. What is the truth about when you started shooting this gun?
Well, when they shot at me, they took off running. Okay, I then got my gun and shot the car up.
So you just lied to me about not knowing who was around. You knew they were gone, or did you not know they were gone? What is the truth?
Well, I did see them leave. So they're gone. They were gone.
So you shot their car up just because you were mad, right?
Yeah.
So she needs some anger management as well. I don't know what to say about that.
Judge, I think it's, if I might, I think I will note here, it's not like she just independently of any other circumstances shot their car. I'm not saying that this is acceptable or legal, but they had shot her car and her reaction was to shoot their car. Obviously, that sort of retribution is not legal, but it wasn't a disproportionate response. It's not like she lashed out at somebody who.
It is a disproportionate response. I understand that you're in an excited state. You're being shot at. God bless that you did not get hit. But after they leave, you're just mad now. And you can't control yourself and you shoot their vehicle, correct?
Yeah.
And what is not disproportionate about that, Mr. Dupree?
Because I would say it's not disproportionate because they had shot hers, Judge. She could have shot at them while they were leaving. I'd say that would show a complete lack of self-control.
I think a lack of self-control is, the The issue I struggle with is the firing the weapon and how dangerous that is in and of itself. And firing a weapon, I can see you firing the weapon for purposes of protecting yourself or defending yourself. You have, in the court's eyes and the law's eyes, you're fully have that right. But just after getting out, I can understand why you would be upset. But after getting out and you're seeing these people leave, they're no longer a threat to you, and you just take your anger out on their vehicle just because is unacceptable. All right. I'm gonna find her guilty as charged to the discharging a firearm. It's gonna be 40 hours of community service at Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. I'm going to dismiss the improper transport. To complete the community service, I want you to come back October the 10th, 2024. Ms. Puenteo, let me know when she completes the community service. Your next court date is October 10th, 2024. I just don't want the community service to go over that whole 6 months. I need that really completed sooner rather than later. If it's nothing further, I hope you, I do sympathize with you on getting shot at. I've never, it's something that I can't imagine happening. I wouldn't want to wish that on anybody. But I hope you kind of reflect on your actions after that. You don't just because you're upset, you don't just go out and fire guns at people's cars for no reason other than you just being upset now.
I agree.
You call the police, you let the police handle that. I mean, guns are just, it's for your personal protection. And once that threat is gone, then because this could have made the situation so much worse if one of those bullets hit a stranger or anything. All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day, ma'am. October 10th is your next day. Best of luck to you. Get in touch with Ms. Puenteo this afternoon, please.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Dupree, have a good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
Bye.